everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest following/followers not updating. First of all, restart the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. Then restart the app. Then log out and log back in. After that, go to your app store, search for Pinterest app, and then make sure to update it to the latest version so you do not have any more bugs. After that, wait a few minutes. Sometimes Pinterest delays syncing after updating, so wait a few minutes before using it. Safety tip: do not use third-party follower boost tools. Switch accounts to force refresh your numbers for a quick fix, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.